Namaste friends, my name is Sangeeta and I make beautiful DIY crafts with little bit of imagination. Today I am going to show you how to make 2-pocket treat holder. On the front side here you can keep chocolates or tea bags or whatever you feel like. And on the back side you can place a card to write a message. So for this we will be needing scoring board. This is from the Works all-in-one tool by VR Memory Keepers. Take a piece of cardstock, and this is the design cardstock paper from Party Time Recollections. Slide your design card stock here and trim this into 8 inches and flip the card and trim it into 8 inches. So now we have 8 inches by 8 inches square paper. Keep watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and hit the bell button next to it. Now fold it into half to make a triangle. Press it properly. Friends, you can find more interesting and similar videos on this channel. For this, click the I button on the top and the link is in the description below. Now place this folded edge against the scoring board like this and score 3 3/4. I will repeat twice because this paper is too thick. Now score 7.5. I'm going to flip this because it's difficult for me to score here. So I'm going to score here again 3 3/4 inches. It will look like this. Now flip this folded edge towards right scoring board and score 3/4 inch. This way. Now open it up. Crease all the score lines this way. Score it properly. Repeat here. This way. Now fold it into half like this. Crease it. Now open and fold this way as shown. Crease it properly. Repeat. Crease it properly. Yes. Now you need to make hole here. So I'm going to use this scoring board from VR Memory Keepers where we can make a hole punch very easily this way. Tie a ribbon through the holes this way. And you can fill this pocket with tea bag, chocolates, and backside you can place gift card or just add a message note. It's all your choice. You can make with different pattern paper and in different sizes and can add whatever you like. It's all your choice. And if you decide to try out from this video, so please make sure to share your picture on any of my social media with hashtag Sangeeta's Kreations. And your picture will get chance to get featured. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more DIYs, please comment down below. And please make sure to subscribe my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for your support and growing my channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.